So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So guys, as you can see, we selected rain and thunder section, and as you can see in this section where some snowfall will be happened, and in this section Colorado, and some in this section there some snowfall will be happened, and if I start this track, then there will be significant changes, as you can see, and in this section there will be some snowfall, and as you can see in this section, and this moves towards this and Kansas, and there will be significant rainfall in this section, as you can see Denver and Ness City, and in this Texas and Oklahoma City there will be significant rainfall, and as you can see, and rain and thunderstorm will be happening in this area, and also, and as you can see in this section there will be some snowfall will be happen in this section, and if I start this track, then there will be significant changes, as you can see, and Oklahoma City there will be significant changes in the rain section, as you can see, and in this section Oklahoma City there will be very rain fall in this section. If I start this track, and as you can see in this section there will be some light yellow section, and in light yellow section there will be heavy rainfall in the Eknas city, and as you can see some rainfall will be happen in Louisiana city also, and as you can see the wind speed towards move to this way, as you can see, and in this way there will be some significant changes in rain also. And if I start this track, then as you can see the rain moves towards this city, as you can see in this section there will be some very much rainfall, as you can see in this section monsoons, and this meter shows how much rainfall will be happened, and Monso's Green Valley, and in this light section there will be significant rainfall in this section, and also thunderstorm will be appear in this area. And if I started this track, then as you can see the rain moves towards this way, and as you can see, and the air moves towards this way, as you can see, and rainfall it becomes slowly and steadily in this area Greenwood, and as you can see there will be 13 millimeter rainfall and in this section, and I will zoom in this section, and as you can see Greenwood in this section there will be some significant rainfall appears in this section also. If I start this track, then as you can see there will be significant changes in rain section, and as you can see in today or Wednesday there will be some significant changes, and as you can see in this area there will be some very much rainfall happen in this area, as you can see. So guys, we move towards a new snow section, and as you can see in this area Denver or Colorado section, and in this area or Rapid City section there will be new snow will be happened in this section, but very less snowfall will be happen in this section. And if I selected next 24 hours, then as you can see Colorado section will be much more new snow comes in this area, and as you can see, and if I selected next 3 days, then there will be significant changes in this map also. And as you can see Colorado section, Salt Lake City, and Boise City, and also Rapid City, some Rapid City, there will be some very much more new snow comes in this also section. And if I selected next 5 days, then as you can see in this area Colorado section, and as you can see New Mexico section and Arizona section, some parts of Arizona section comes in next 5 days new snow, and this snow depth was 24.8 centimeters, somehow 33 centimeter near in this section, or as you can see there will be some significant snowfall in this area also. And if I selected next 10 days, then as you can see there will be no significant changes in this area, but also New Mexico and Arizona city comes forward, and as you can see in this area there will be some very much more snowfall. Colorado section also. So guys, now we move towards snow depth section, and as you can see, there will be snow depth of 54.7 centimeter snow depth, and snow density was 220 kg per meter cube. As you can see, there will be much more snowfall in this Colorado section and the Salt Lake City section also, and also in this Rapid City section. And if I start this track, then as you can see, there will be no significant changes happen in this area, but there will be some very much more airflow come towards this city also. And if I selected this track and fast forward this track, then as you can see, there will be no significant changes in this snow depth section. And as you can see, so guys, now I selected the thunderstorm section in this map, and as you can see, there will be no thunderstorm appears in Monday. There will be very light thunderstorm section in this total US section. As you can see, this very little thunderstorm will be happen, but not much more rainfall, and much more snow fall, and much more thunderstorm will appear, but as you can see, there will be minimizing this step. And as you can see, there will be no significant changes in thunderstorm. And if I fast forward this track, then as you can see, the rain comes towards this way, as you can see, and I further move this track. And as you can see, in this Thursday or 25th March, this section, as you can see, Louisiana and Lukins, in this area, there will be significantly much more thunderstorm appear in this section, as guys you can see. And if I fast forward again this track, then you can see the thunderstorm will move towards this way. And the Friday, the thunderstorm will be appear in this section, as you can see. Or we can told you that this area, there will be much more rainfall and much more thunderstorm will appear in this area, as you guys you can see. And Friday 26th, there will be very little thunderstorm appear in this area. And if I move towards this track Saturday, then as guys you can see, there will be no significant rain or thunderstorm appear in this area. And there will be very neglected rainfall appear in this area. And Sunday, there will be significantly above rainfall in this area, as guys you can see, Louisiana. And in this area, some area will be happen very light rainfall and thunderstorm appear in this area. And if I move towards this track to Monday, and as you can see, there will be very light rain and thunderstorm appear. And the last date, if I track, then Tuesday 30th March, there will be no significant rainfall or thunderstorm appear in this area, as guys you can see. So guys, now I selected the temperature section in this map, and if I track this, and as you can see, there will be something 21 degrees centigrade, and as guys you can see in this area. And if I meter this section, and as guys you can see, there will be a morning 13 degrees centigrade. And if I track this on, as guys you can see, there will be significant changes in 2 days also. There will be no minimum degree temperature, as you can see. So guys, now I selected weather warning section, and as you can see, there will be 2 days warning. There will be little warning in this section also, as guys you can see. In this area, there will be some little warning in this area, as guys you can see. And if I selected tomorrow section, then there will be some changes, as guys you can see. There will be little changes in this section, as guys you can see. If I zoom in, then you can see your area also, where the warning happened in this area. If I selected later option, then as guys you can see, there will be some little changes in this area. And in this area, there will be some changes in this area also, that is New Mexico section, as guys you can see. So that's for today, guys. If you like this video, then hit the like button below, and if you subscribe our channel and turn on the all notification, then you can see all the weather related forecast of total US, and also it will be very helpful for me also. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.